How do I properly clean and wash Hey Dude shoe insoles?
Hello there. Today we're going to discuss a very important topic: how to properly clean and wash your Hey Dude shoe insoles. Proper maintenance can not only increase the longevity of your shoes but also keep them comfortable and fresh.
Why is it important to clean your shoe insoles?
Shoe insoles, especially those from brands like Hey Dude, are designed to provide optimal comfort. However, with continuous wear, insoles can accumulate sweat, dirt, and bacteria, leading to unpleasant odors and a decrease in their comfort level. Thus, regular cleaning is essential to keep your shoes at their best.
What you'll need to clean your insoles.
Before we get started, you'll need a few basic supplies. 1. A soft brush or old toothbrush. 2. Mild laundry detergent. 3. Warm water. 4. Towel or cloth. 5. A dry, well-ventilated space for air drying.
Step-by-step process of cleaning your insoles.
Now let's go through the cleaning process. 1. Remove the insoles. Carefully take the insoles out of your shoes. 2. Brush off excess dirt. Using the brush, remove any visible dirt or debris from the insoles. 3. Prepare a cleaning solution. Mix a small amount of mild laundry detergent with warm water. 4. Scrub the insoles. Dip your brush into the cleaning solution and gently scrub the insoles. Focus on any stained or smelly areas. 5. Rinse. Rinse off the soap under warm running water. Make sure all the detergent is thoroughly rinsed off, as any residue might cause discomfort. 6. Dry the insoles. Pat the insoles dry with a towel to remove excess water. Then, leave them in a well-ventilated area to air dry. Do not put them in the sun or near a heat source, as this can cause them to warp or shrink.
Additional tips.
Clean your insoles regularly, but avoid overwashing them, as it might lead to wear and tear. If your insoles have a strong odor, consider using a deodorizing spray or baking soda after cleaning them. Always air dry your insoles. Never put them in the dryer or directly in the sun. Ensure insoles are completely dry before placing them back in the shoes. And that's it. Now you know how to properly clean and wash your Hey Dude shoe insoles. Remember, regular cleaning not only helps keep your shoes fresh but also extends their lifespan. We hope you find this guide useful. Happy cleaning!